Hello guys, this is Tasmai and you're watching Tasmai Madhavi YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see lesson number 1, Rational and Irrational Numbers, part 3rd, practice set 1.3. In this part, we will see how to divide irrational numbers. So now, let's see practice set 1.3. So our first main question is write the following rational numbers in decimal form. Our first question is 9 by 37. So now let's do the division. So here as you can see, here's the division. Let me take pen for explanation. Okay. As you can see, here we have written 37 and here is 9. So as you can see, I have taken the decimal point after 9 and put in zeros. These zeros doesn't have any value, so you can take how much you want. So now let's divide 37 by 9. So 37 zeros are 0 because 37 doesn't come in the table of 9 doesn't comes in the table of 37. So 37 zeros are 0. Subtracted, get the answer as 9. Now you might be assuming from where this 0 came. So this 0 came from this point. So when to take this point and why to take and how to. So when the situation come like this, so you have to take a point after this 0 and from this point you can take 1 0 over here. Now, 37 twos are 74. So when we subtract 90 with 74, we get the answer as 16. Now this 0 we will again take from this point. Now, 37 fours are 148. So when we subtract, we get the answer as 12. We again taken the 0 from this point. Now it become 120. Now 37 threes are 111. Now when we subtract 120 with 11 or 111, we get the answer as 9. 9. Now we will take again 0 from this decimal point. It became 90. Now 37 twos are 74. When we subtract both this number, we get the answer as 16. We will again take a 0 from this decimal point. It became 160. Now 37 fours are 148. Now when we subtract this, we get 12. We will take again 0 from this point. It became 120. Now 37 threes are 111. When we subtract this, we get the answer as 9. So it will be continued like this only. Therefore, 9 by 37 is also equals to 0.243243, and it will go forever like that. 243243243. It will not stop. That is also equals to 0.243, and this bar states that this will go forever. This will not stop. Therefore the decimal form of 9 by 3 is 0.243 at the bar. Now always remember, after the point we have to speak the number like this. 2 Here we will take 243, not as 243. We have to speak as 243. Now our next question is 18 by 42. So here's the division. As you can see, it is a big division, so we will explain it stepwise. So see, after this 428,571, it is repeating. So I would prefer that I would not explain that again. So the video will be bigger if I explain this again. So I will explain till this one only. Now, let's divide 42 with 18. 42's zeros are 0 because 18 doesn't come in the table of 42. So when we subtract, we get the answer as 18. We will again take the 0 from this decimal point. I have explained why to take, how to take, and from where to take. So we have again taken the 0 from it. We get the answer as 180. So we will subtract. No, so first we will take 42 twos are 162. Sorry, 42 fours are 162. When we will subtract, we get the answer as 12. We will take again 0 from this decimal point. So it came 42 twos are 84. So when we subtract, we get the answer as 36. So we will take again 0 from this decimal point because 36 doesn't come in the table of 42. So when we take the 0, it's 42. 8s are 336. When we will subtract this, we will get 24. So 24 also doesn't come in the table of 42. So we will again take the 0. So it will become 240. So 42 fives are 210. So when we will subtract, we get the answer as 30. We will again take the 0 from this decimal point. It will become 300. So 42 sevens are 294. 294. When we will subtract, we will get the answer as 6. We will take this decimal, we will take 0 from this decimal point. It will become 60. So 42 ones are 42. When we will subtract, we will get answer as 18. Now, I will not explain this part again because I have explained this part over here. So we can simply say that 18 upon 42 is also equals to 0.428571, and again 428571. It will be continuously going. So in short, we can say that it is also equals to 0.428571 and the bar. Bar means I have told it will repeat. So therefore the decimal form of 18 by 42 is 0.428571 and a bar. So now let's solve the third question. 9 upon 40. Here's the division. Okay, this is also the big. So we have to explain this whole. Yes, we have to explain this whole. So now let's start. I told you why we have taken this 0, the reason also, and why also I told. Now let's start the division. So 14's zeros are 0 because 9 doesn't come in the table of 40. When we will subtract, we will get the answer as 9. We will take the we will take here the point, and from this point we will take a 0. It will become 90. 14 6 are 84. When we will subtract this, we will get the answer as 6, and we will take the point from this decimal point. It will become 60. 14 fours are 56. Subtracted, it will get the answer as 4. We will again take the point from this. We will again take the 0 from this point. It will become 40. Now, 14 twos are 28. When we will subtract, we will get as 120. Again, sorry, 120, not 12. We will take the 0 from this point. It will become 120. Now 14 eights are 112. We will subtract and get the answer as 8. We will again take the 0 from this point. It will become 80. Now 14 fives are 70. When we will subtract, we will get the answer as 10. We will take the 0 from this decimal point. It will become 100. So 14 sevens are 98. When we will subtract this, we will get the answer as 2. We will again take the 0 from this point, from this decimal point. It will become 20. 14 ones are 14. When we will subtract, we will get the answer as 6. Again, we will take the 0 from this point, it will become 60. So, 14 fours are 56. When we will subtract, we will get the answer as 4. We will again take the 0 from this point, it will become 40. When we will subtract this, we will get the answer as 12. We will again take the 0 from this point, it will become 120. So 14 eights are 112. When we will subtract this, we will get the answer as 8. We will again take the 0 from this point, it will become 80. So 14 fives are 70. When we will subtract, we will get the answer as 10. Again take the 0 from this point, it will become 100. 14 sevens are 98. We will again subtract this, we will get the answer as 2. We will take the decimal point from this, it will become 20. It will become as 20. So 14 ones are 14. We will get the answer as 6. So we can take this 0 from that decimal point, it will become as 60, and we can continue this again if you want. No need, but if you want, you can do. Therefore, 9 upon 14 is also equals to 6.6428571428571, and again 642857148242857 that is also equals to 0.6428571 and the bar means repetition. Therefore, the decimal form of 9 upon 14 is 0.6428571 at the bar. Now, let's solve the fourth question, which is minus 103 upon 5. So, here's the division. Okay, as you can see, here's the division is short. So, let's solve it. We have not taken the minus over here, minus 103. We will take it afterwards. So 5 twos are 10. It's simply coming 5 twos are 10. When we subtract, we will get the answer as 0. We will take this 3 over here as we take normal in divisions. Here, sorry. 1 second, I will erase that. We will take this 3 over here. It will become 3. Now, 5 zeros are 0 because 3 doesn't come in the table of 5. We will take 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. We will take a point over here. So 5 6 are 30. The answer remainder will come as 0, and here's the division is completed. So no need to put the bar in this question. So therefore 103 upon 5 is also equals to 20.6. Therefore, the decimal form of minus 103 upon 5 is minus 20.6. Now let's solve the last question, which is fifth. The question is minus 11 upon 13. So here's the division. This is also a big division. Not the big, but not the least. Okay, so let's divide. 13 doesn't comes in the table of 11. 11 doesn't comes in the table of 13. So 13 zeros are 0. Subtracted, get the answer as 11. 13, we will take the point over here. So we will take 0 from this point. It will become 110. So 13 eights are 104. When we will subtract, we will get the answer as 6. We'll again take the point from this. We will again take the 0 from this point. We will get the answer as 60. So 13 fours are 52. When we will subtract, we will get the answer as 8. We will again take the 0 from this point. It will become as 80. Or you can simply take the zeros like this also if you want. Or you can take the zero from this decimal also. I would prefer to take zeros from this decimal. Okay. Next. 13. 13. 6 are 78. Subtracted, get the answer as 2, the 0, and it will become as 20. 0 taken from this decimal. 13 ones are 13. Subtracted, get the answer as 7. Taken 0 from the decimal, or from this you can take if you wish. It will become as 70. Next, 13 fives are 65. Subtracted, get the answer as 5. Taken 0 from this decimal, it became 50. Next, 13 threes are 39. We will get the answer as 11. And here the division will repeat. So therefore, 11 upon 13 is also equals to 846153, 846153, 846153, and continue. So that is also equals to 0.846153 and a bar. Bar represents further repetition. Therefore, the decimal form of minus 11 upon 3 is 0.84613 and the decimal. In this video, this much only. See you in the next video with the part 4 practice set 1.4 and the last part of this lesson. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment. Stay tuned. Bye bye.